Yeah, okay. Hey guys, it's Rodsters from Earth Nugget Jr. I know he said that before.
Today I brought a guest on my channel, so yeah.
Yeah.
How should we play?
Oh yeah, and guys, Junior's channel will be in the description below.
Monster's channel will be in the description below.
As well. Yo.
Let's play an original Seth play.
Why don't we play an original map? But it is
Mushroom.
Mushroom. No wait.
Prickly.
Is that where you're gonna be, a prickly person? Is that what you're gonna be? Well, I'll give you a hint.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a prickly. You're gonna be skeleton, we all know. Okay.
Actually, I'm not.
Or Blaze, or TNT, or some other weird class, or chicken. Or I guessed it.
2 TNTs? No way, I'm running.
Yeah, I'll let them battle. They're in both TNTs. So yeah, they are. One of them has a regen potion. At least my sword does more damage. No, one of them's a TNT, one of them's a Blaze.
Daddy. As you can see, this mushroom is very well protection. Inside of it.
Being a camper.
I'm not. I'm actually right behind you. Ooh. Ooh.
My sword, I do more damage than you do.
On your sword. Boom.
I need to turn my render down.
Spooky. Oh, I think that guy has a Mr. Notch Apple.
I'm gonna quickly turn my render down. I'm probably gonna die while doing so. Normal. There we go. Oh, no. TNT everywhere. Oh yeah. No! I got it.
No!
Yes! You're lucky. I would have killed you like 20 seconds earlier. I would have got a double kill, but I lagged out. No! Come on.
No! OP TNT.
These guys to death. I'm gonna prick them to death.
I wish TNT didn't have that OP.
Oh, it's an invisibility. I thought it was whatever. TNT should have a little thing above their head that says TNT. Like, no, a little thing on their head that says TNT. Oh, I made him blow himself up.
Exploded. You explode, man. Oh.
I totally don't have one heart or anything right now.
Okay, don't worry, I'll help you. And I definitely don't have it. I definitely have so many eggs left.
I know, you don't have any eggs out. I saw you run out. Whoa, no.
No!
Oh, your face!
Jeez, you were...
I'm a pro runner. That's what I am. And I just want to regen. If you let me regen, I'll stop running from the society.
I'm trying to get the TNTs. Oh no, someone has a Notch Apple.
Darn it, I missed with my bomb. Everyone who was like looking at my screen.
Including me. I'm going to have to watch.
It's going to be like, wow, you're such a noob with throwing bombs. Oh, I got him.
Boom!
I'm a non-like computer Rodsters. I play a lot better.
Oh, no.
Kick this guy's butt until it's sour.
Boom!
No!
These eggs.
He has one more life. Gabo VH has one more life. Kill it!
I'm trying.
Totally won't sneak up and kill you or anything.
Boom! No! No!
I just. I was like, I totally won't sneak up and kill you or anything.
Oh.
It's me. Let's go. Bring it.
Come on, Gabo, win! Gabo, win! Gabo, win!
No, I want to win. It's no good, JR win. No!
Yes! That's what you get for doing that move.
Still got a gem. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. No! I'm out of memory. It didn't record.
Okay, guys.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks for watching. That is Super Craft Bros. And
Yeah, don't check out my... Yeah, okay. Didn't upload, but whatever.
that is it. Thanks for watching, and that is all.
I'm gonna go delete my...